Hello friends, today I will share you one iPhone theme of Chinese region. Theme has this control center on lock screen. Theme available on Chinese theme store Xiaomi. Theme name is Chinese language. Translate to English. You cannot find theme in global theme store. Let's install this theme on your Xiaomi device. On this phone, I used global theme store. Cannot find and install theme via store. First, open Settings app and go to Backup and Restore features on your device. Uncheck all and only check theme app data to backup. Finish backup and exit to home screen. Next, download file made by me in video description. Press and hold file. Select copy to the path. Miui backup iLoveBackup. Select latest folder, backup and paste file into here. Return backup and restore features. Select latest backup and restore. Open theme app. Disable show ads. Sign out your Xiaomi account. Theme has appeared. Keep watching to custom theme if you don't understand Chinese language. Theme app still global version. Touch to change home screen widgets. Custom position of dynamic island. Double tap. Select this. Choose position. Select wallpaper. Enable or disable depth effect. Custom widgets. Enter any text here. Example, Redmi Note 13 Pro. Open theme app. Customize theme. Clock style then custom. Edit text here. Enter any text you want show on lock screen. Custom lock style. Enable ring of battery power. Select this to enable flashlight and camera icons. Next, edit this text to any text you want. Select this to edit. Enable blur home screen wallpaper. Enable or disable dock bar in home screen. Custom your depth effect wallpaper. In this, choose Original File JPG format. And this, choose Transparent File PG format. After that, return Apply Default Lock Style then Reapply Theme to active changes. Your wallpaper show here. So we have successfully brought this Chinese theme on Xiaomi global devices. I hope you will like this theme. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget subscribe to receive new videos soon. See you in next video.